In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add products from Alibaba to your Shopify store in 2025. This process is truly transformative for your e-commerce business, allowing you access to an extensive array of products while using Shopify's robust platform. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process together. To begin with, you'll need the Alibaba.com app on your Shopify store. You might hear it referred to as Dropshipping by Alibaba Official. Start by heading to your Shopify admin panel. Here, navigate to the Settings section and continue to Apps and Sales Channels. Once there, open up the Shopify App Store. Do a quick search for Dropshipping by Alibaba Official, and when you find it, proceed with installing the app. After the installation is complete, you will need to connect your Shopify store to Alibaba. This is an important step because it integrates the two platforms, ensuring they work together seamlessly. Click Install App and follow the prompts to authorize this connection between your shop and Alibaba. Next comes establishing your Alibaba connection. If you're not already part of the Alibaba family, this is the perfect opportunity to create an account. If you already have one, you'll simply sign in with your existing credentials. The app offers a user-friendly interface that guides you through the process, so you're not drilling through complexity alone. This is crucial, as it allows you to tap into millions of products available on Alibaba. Now, moving on to what's arguably the most exciting part, finding the right products for your store. In the Alibaba app, head over to the Product Search section. This is where the possibilities truly open up. Use specific keywords that best describe the products you are looking for, or simply browse through categories that pertain to your niche. Once you find the perfect products, add them to your import list. This functions as a hub for your selected products. The following step is an opportunity to get creative and tailor these products to your brand. Head over to your import list within the Alibaba app to edit each product's details. Here you can customize the product name, refine the description, select variants, set pricing, and ensure the images align with your store's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the customizations, it's time to push these products to your Shopify store. Be sure to double-check that each product is listed accurately in your Shopify store. Lastly, when a customer places an order in your Shopify store, processing it in the Alibaba app is a breeze. According to Orichi.info, Alibaba handles the fulfillment process by sourcing directly from their suppliers, ensuring that your customers receive their products in a timely and efficient manner. And there you have it. This process not only expands your product range, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found these insights helpful. Happy selling!